According to a study, 45% of people say that moving is the most stressful event in life. But owning a La-Z-Boy recliner might just make that move a little bit less stressful. In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily take apart your La-Z-Boy recliner and make that move just a little bit easier. Some La-Z-Boy recliners might be large and heavy, but that doesn't mean they're hard to move. All of our chairs consist of two pieces, the base and the backrest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to remove that backrest, and the only tool you'll need is a flathead screwdriver. And I'll be demonstrating here on this La-Z-Boy Morrison recliner. Step 1, we're going to take the La-Z-Boy recliner and just move it forward so that it's sitting on the leg rest there. It might be a little bit hard for you to see, but on the backrest here, there's two locking brackets, and that's when we'll take our flathead screwdriver and just pull up each one of those locking brackets. There's one on each side, and they can be a little bit sticky, especially if your chair is new. But once you have those up, then you'll just hold the backrest, pull the chair back up into the upright position, and from there you'll just stand behind the chair and using that rocking motion, pull the backrest up off the chair. So here's what the locks look like when it's all removed. It's a little bit easier to see. Here are your two locking mechanisms. There's one on each side, and this is in the unlocked position, and when you have it on your chair all moved in, you'll use your screwdriver to just move it into the locked position just like so. And when you're aligning the brackets, you'll want to make sure that these pieces are aligned with the opposite pieces on the base of the chair. And here's what the two slides on the base of the chair look like. That's what you're going to be aligning the brackets to when you put the backrest back on your La-Z-Boy recliner. Now, you have your chair all relocated and you're ready to assemble it again. It's just as easy, and I'm going to walk you through it step by step. So first, you want to take your backrest and line it up with those two brackets on the side. I found that it's a little easier if you hold the backrest at an angle and then just rock it back into position. Next, you want to roll the chair forward just like you did the first time onto the footrests. Take your screwdriver again, and then you want to put the locking brackets in the down position. That locks them in and makes sure your backrest isn't going to be loose. And again, you do that for both sides. You just get your screwdriver under there, and you just push them into the locked position. And then you roll it back into the upright position, and you're all done. And just like that, you're able to easily relocate your La-Z-Boy recliner. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below, and someone will be happy to answer them for you. And don't forget to subscribe and come into one of our showrooms, and one of us would be happy to help you.